Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look that I've been seeing a lot lately on Instagram. It's a trend that's going on right now on Instagram. It's basically a fishtail trend. When I saw this look, I was like, this kind of looks familiar because I've seen this before or I've done this before, and then I thought to myself, oh, that's right. 15 years ago, if you guys were following me way back in dinosaur years, I used to do this look a lot on my videos for Asia. And if you guys have my Purity CD, you can see this on the cover that I did this kind of like fishtail thing going on at the ends of my eyes. And at the time, people thought I was kind of extra, but looks like they brought it back. After seeing it everywhere on Instagram, I want to recreate this look and show you guys my version of the fishtail along with the new trend. Let's do this. Let's start off with the eyebrows. I've seen a lot of fishtail eyebrows, so I'm gonna do that and see where that takes me. Using my MAC 263 brush, angle brush with the MAC eyeshadow. This is in the color Brun. I'm going to fishtail my eyebrows. So I'm gonna start off right here where the arch is at and just kind of like wing it up. Then I'm going to be a little bit extra and I'm going to add in this color sphere using this small MAC brush and go into that area that's kind of empty right here. Then I'm going to grab my Too Faced glitter glue and put it in this area right here. Using that same brush, I'm grabbing the Inglot number 113 Pure Pigment Eyeshadow. Go into that area. Then grabbing my glitter drops from Cover FX in the color Lunar, I'm going to apply it to my eyebrow bones right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And just blend that baby out. Alright, so I got my eyebrow fishtails. And now I'm working on my eyeliner fishtails. It's been a long time since I've done this. Long time. Draw down this way. Bring it back up, but towards the upper liner. Then kind of bring it in a little bit right here. And there's my bottom fishtail. Gonna work on this one and enhance it a little bit more. Make it a little bit more dramatic. And then curve it in right here. Alright, there's my fishtail right there. Once again, use my glitter drops in the color Lunar from Cover FX. And just kind of give myself 3 dots right here. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Same thing over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna add 2 more right here, just for kicks. And up here as well. 1, 2. Because I'm extra, I'm going to add it on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, that's a big one. This is my final look. This is the fishtail inspired trend look. I kind of went crazy. I went on and on and on and added so many things on my face, and if I didn't stop myself, I would have just completely filled my whole face with this fish vibe. But I do like it. It's a creative kind of makeup and it really gives me mermaid fish vibe. Under the Sea, which is my favorite movie, by the way, The Little Mermaid. So I hope you guys like this look. I don't know if you guys would rock it, but if you do, I would like to see it. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to press subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys next time.